Hi everybody, Logan at Enduro Engineering here to talk to you about the brake pedal tips we offer to replace OEM brake pedal tips. As you can see, OEM is a flat surface with not much traction to it. It's also a weaker construction, making it easier to bend or brake. With the Enduro Engineering brake pedal tips, you can see it's a lot larger spike, giving you more traction with a stainless steel construction, making it less likely that it'll bend or break. So as you can see, the Enduro Engineering brake pedal tip will offer a lot better traction with the boot, especially in the mud conditions. When the brake pedal tip gets caked with mud, those larger tips will help keep traction to the boot. With all Enduro Engineering brake pedal tips, we drill 4 holes in them, giving you 2 different options for mounting for a preferred feel for your liking. Currently at Enduro Engineering, we offer 4 different brake pedal tip replacements. One is for the beta lineup, like we have here, this 250RR. One is for the previous models of the KTM lineups, and then the other 2 are for the current KTM lineup. One is a 35mm and a slightly larger 45mm option. When you go to our website, if you put in your bike brand, make, and model, it'll show you which ones fit your bike. To order your Enduro Engineering brake pedal tip today, give us a call at 517-393-2421 or visit EnduroENG.com.